Self-doubt can paralyze us, but we can overcome it. Let us understand from a story how self-doubt can be harmful in our personal and professional lives. Let me introduce you to Laurel, a talented graphic designer working at a bustling design agency in New York. Laurel is creative, dedicated, and passionate about her work. She spends countless hours perfecting her designs, always pushing the boundaries of her creativity. She pours her heart and soul into every project, striving for excellence in everything she does. Her commitment to her craft is truly inspiring. However, behind her warm smile and quiet demeanor, Laurel harbors a secret struggle. She's plagued by self-doubt. This internal battle is something she faces daily. Despite receiving praise from clients and colleagues alike, Laurel constantly questions her abilities. She often wonders if she truly deserves the accolades she receives. She compares herself to other designers, focusing on their strengths while magnifying her perceived weaknesses. This comparison game leaves her feeling inadequate. There was a huge client who was getting onboarded, and when given the opportunity to present her ideas in the final meeting, Laurel hesitated. She fears her ideas might not be well received. What if my ideas aren't good enough, she wonders. This question haunts her, making her second guess her every move. What if everyone thinks I'm not as talented as they think I am? This fear of being exposed as a fraud is a constant source of anxiety for her. This self-doubt begins to affect Laurel's work. The stress and anxiety start to take a toll on her creativity and productivity. She starts to doubt her creative instincts, spending countless hours second-guessing her design choices. The endless revisions leave her feeling exhausted. The joy she once found in her work begins to dwindle, replaced by anxiety and a fear of not measuring up. The passion that once fueled her creativity is now overshadowed by self-doubt. Laurel knows she has so much more to offer, but her self-doubt holds her back, preventing her from reaching her full potential. She feels trapped in a cycle of self-criticism. I know for a fact that Laurel's story is not unique. Many talented individuals face similar struggles, battling self-doubt despite their evident skills and achievements. Many of us can relate to the feeling of being held back by our own self-doubt. It's a common yet often unspoken challenge. We may excel in our chosen fields, receive positive feedback, and achieve significant milestones, yet still find ourselves grappling with that nagging voice telling us we're not enough. This internal struggle is a silent battle many of us fight every day. The first step to overcoming self-doubt is to recognize it for what it is: a thought, not a truth. This distinction is crucial in managing our mental well-being. Our thoughts are not always based in reality. They can be distorted and misleading. They are often influenced by our past experiences, insecurities, and fears. These elements shape our perception, but they do not define our reality. When we believe our negative thoughts without question, we give them power over us. This can lead to a cycle of self-doubt and anxiety. Imagine this. You're about to give a presentation at work. The room is filled with colleagues and your boss. Suddenly, your heart starts racing, your palms sweat, and a thought pops into your head. I'm going to mess this up. The fear of failure grips you. Everyone will think I'm incompetent. This thought spirals into a fear of judgment and rejection. This is self-doubt rearing its ugly head. It thrives on our insecurities. It's important to remember that this is just a thought, not a premonition of the future. It doesn't predict what will actually happen. Instead of letting this thought control you, acknowledge it. Recognize it for what it is. Say to yourself, I'm having the thought that I'm going to mess up. This simple act can create a mental distance. This is just my self-doubt talking. It doesn't reflect my true abilities. By recognizing the thought as separate from reality, you can begin to detach from it and lessen its power. This detachment is liberating. Remember, you are not your thoughts. You are much more than the fleeting ideas in your mind. You are the observer of your thoughts. This perspective gives you control. You have the power to choose which thoughts to believe and which ones to let go of. This choice is empowering. The next time self-doubt creeps in, take a step back, observe the thought and remind yourself that it's just a thought, not the truth. This practice can transform your mindset. Often, the journey to overcoming self-doubt starts with small steps. It's about setting manageable goals and celebrating each achievement, no matter how minor it may seem. Each small step builds confidence and creates momentum, leading to giant leaps over time. Remember, progress is progress no matter the pace. No. It's crucial to recognize that self-doubt is a natural part of the human experience. Instead of fighting it, try to understand it. Ask yourself, what is this doubt trying to tell me? By befriending your doubts, you can learn from them and use them to fuel your growth. Embrace your doubts, and they can become allies rather than obstacles. Let's take a moment to hear about Laurel's journey. She once struggled with self-doubt, feeling paralyzed by fear. But by taking small steps and befriending her doubts, Laurel transformed her mindset. She started to see challenges as opportunities for growth. Today, Laurel is thriving, a testament to the power of perseverance and self-belief. Now, it's your turn. Embrace the belief that you can overcome your self-doubt. Take action even if it's a small step. Each action you take builds your confidence and propels you forward. Believe in yourself and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. The journey starts now. Please like the video and subscribe to the Journey to Best YouTube channel. Share your feedback in the comment section and share this video with anyone going through self-doubt to encourage them to take one step at a time. Remember, every time you take a step forward, you're not just helping yourself, you're inspiring others too. Your courage can create a ripple effect, motivating countless others who are silently battling their own doubts. So, let's build a community of support and encouragement. Together, we can achieve incredible things. Your journey, your story, can be the beacon of hope someone else needs. Thank you for watching, and remember, the power to change your life lies within you. Take that step today.